Welcome to Star Academy. In today's video, we will learn about functions of human digestive system. So, let's start. Function of human digestive system. How digestive system of human works. Here is the digestive system of human. Let's learn about some important parts of the digestive system. Number 1 is mouth. It contains teeth and tongue. In mouth we have salivary glands which produce saliva. Then here comes a long tube. This is called esophagus. Esophagus is connected to stomach. Here we have liver. Then we have gallbladder. Here we have small intestine. Food from stomach comes to small intestine. Then is a large intestine. From small intestine, food passes into large intestine. Here we have pancreas. Then we have rectum. And the last part of the digestive system is anus. This whole tract is also called alimentary canal, and it is also called digestive tract. Liver and pancreas are glands. These secretes some enzymes. Function of digestive system. The function of the digestive system is digestion and absorption. Digestion is the breakdown of food into small molecules, which are then absorbed into the body. The digestive tract or alimentary canal is a continuous tube with two openings, the mouth and the anus. It includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Food passing through the internal cavity or lumen of the digestive tract does not technically enter the body until it is absorbed through the walls of the digestive tract and passes into blood or lymphatic vessels. Accessory organs include the teeth and tongue, salivary glands, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. The treatment of food in the digestive system involves the following 7 processes. 1. Ingestion. It is the process of eating, taking in the food, which is broken down by teeth. Number 2. Propulsion. It is the movement of food along the digestive tract. The major means of propulsion is peristalsis, a series of alternating contraction and relaxation of smooth muscles that lines the walls of the digestive organs and that forces food to move forward. Secretion of enzymes. Secretion of digestive enzymes and other substances liquefies, adjusts the pH of food and chemically breaks down the food. Mechanical digestion. It is the process of physical breaking down of food into smaller pieces. This process begins with the chewing of food and continues with the muscular churning of the stomach. Additional churning occurs in the small intestine through muscular constriction of the intestinal wall. This process, called segmentation, is similar to peristalsis, except that the rhythmic timing of the muscles' constrictions forces the food backward and forward rather than forward only. Chemical digestion. It is the process of chemically breaking down food into simpler molecules. The process is carried out by enzymes in the stomach and small intestine. Absorption. It is the movement of molecules by passive diffusion or active transport from the digestive tract to adjacent blood and lymphatic vessel. Absorption is the entrance of digested food, now called nutrients, into the body. Defecation. It is the process of eliminating undigested material through the anus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.